Welcome to the demo of Deepockets. Deepockets is a digital platform that helps manage, procurement and budgeting. It takes the opaqueness out of the ERP licensing and helps companies roll out the requisition authorization to a larger user base at significantly lower costs. Enterprises can get away from the centralized requisitions based on Excel sheets, and instead, requisitions can be raised by actual users, thus improving the accuracy of the procurement, reducing the procurement cycle, and digitalizing the entire requisition cycle. Deepockets has an approval workflow that is dynamic, flexible, and has a less complex approach to managing approval and requisition authorizations in comparison to SAP and other ERPs. It has parallel workflows that can handle approvals by the board and procurement committees, out-of-office functionality, email notifications at every step, single-click email approvals, and much more. It pretty much lives up to the demands of a digital enterprise. With user-friendly screens and an integration gateway to SAP and ERPs, it can make life easier for the user and the administration community. I am sure you will know what that means to an SAP or ERP user. It is also a budgeting system and helps manage, track the budgets against utilization based on the requisitions. Approvers get a view of budget utilization with every requisition and can make informed decisions. The product can be used by enterprises of all sizes, and the simplest of implementations can be rolled out in a matter of weeks. This video provides a demo of the core features of Deepockets, the global version, which caters to corporate groups who have global operations and hence deal in multiple currencies that require exchange rate conversions with regard to budgeting and procurement requisition approvals. The demo helps organizations understand how the budget and requisition management are performed by demoing the core features. The video also demonstrates how Deepockets is integrated with SAP. Now onto the demo.
We are now going to see the demo of Deepockets, the group version, with an integration to ERP, in this case SAP. We will first see the group and company master data management under the admin login. As you can see, you can designate a group currency for the group. When you first create the group master data, you can choose the fiscal year variant and also indicate from which year the application is active for the group. There are similar configurations available for the company, including a company code currency. Under Policies, you can set how the application has to treat different customer-specific policies, whether the budget utilization is to be computed, including or excluding tax, for example. Also, what exchange rate is to be used for currency conversion for the budget amount and for budget utilization at different events, example, during the creation of requisition, when procurement finalize the vendor, when the requisition is fully approved, as per the workflow. For the choices budget rate, the exchange rate for conversion can be captured here, which in this case is 78 rupees to a USD. Now we go into the budget module and see how budget is created in the beginning of the year, example, for budgeted laptops, under Department Admin. The Budget Availability Report provides an analytical view of the original budget and the current utilization levels through the pipeline, from requisitions till final approval. The report shows the values in company currency, as well as the group currency. While displaying the report in group currency, there are different simulated conversions available. Next up, we are going to see the creation of a requisition, in short, called as ER. Based on configured parameters, the requisition will find one or multiple approval workflows that fit the bill. The status shows the current budget utilization level in 3 different dimensions. All approved shows the utilization level, considering all approved requisitions. The middle thermometer shows the utilization, excluding the current requisition, and the last thermometer shows, including the current requisition. The group status shows the same values, converted into the group currency. The field plant is used for performing the integration posting into the SAP system. The My Requests tile gives the requisitioner the option of viewing the current status of the requisition. The Approvers tab shows that the requisition is awaiting the selection of the right workflow from among multiple possible workflows. Let us now see, under the Finance login, the current status of budget utilization, reflected in the Budget Availability Report. The finance person also gets to confirm or choose the appropriate workflow. The user can now see, under My Requests, that the requisition is to be approved by the department head. Next, Now you can see the department head logging in and approving. There are options for providing his or her comments, and also attaching any documents. The My Approvals tile for every approver provides an opportunity for the approver to view the status of the requisitions, post his or her approval. After the department head has approved the requisition, the procurement department goes ahead and shortlists a vendor and attaches all the necessary documentation to the requisition for viewing by all the subsequent approvers. There are options to shortlist 3 vendors and recommend one. The vendor code and the pricing are picked up directly from the connected SAP system through the appropriate BAPIs, based on the source list and the condition records. Next up will be the finance approval. Next up will be the IT department's approval, as the item being procured is a laptop. Now we will see, in the finance login, how the utilization is reflected in the budget availability report. Budget utilization in Indian rupees is 70,800, as proposed by procurement, from the SAP condition record, and the utilization in USD is 907.69, based on the exchange rate of 78 rupees to a dollar. Now we will see the most interesting part, that is, the integration with the SAP system. We choose the requisitions not yet posted into SAP. The system shows the SAP vendor and item codes for the benefit of the user, and also shows the mapping of the other elements between Deepockets and SAP as per the integration configuration in the system, and then does the posting. You can see the SAP requisition number in the pop-up and also against the requisition. Now we will show how the requisition has been posted in the SAP system, including the comments from the requisition in Deepockets. The valuation price of 30,000 rupees is the per unit price from SAP. Let us now see some of the other operations in the budgeting module. The budget for any of the budget nodes can be supplemented or decremented, or can be transferred in or out. We will see here the budget supplement functionality and track the impact of the supplement in the budget availability report. Now we will show how the budget can be uploaded through an Excel template that is provided in the application. These are just some of the core processes, and there are more. Thanks for watching the video.
Deepockets, your digital hub to procurement and budgeting.
For a live demo, please contact sales@coralconsulting.com or call +91 97890 93899.